Hello guys, this video will show you how you can use 3DCoat's automatic retopology feature called AUTOPO. So there's Retopo and then AUTOPO. So we're going to open up 3DCoat. I'm going to go ahead and just close this up. We're going to File and then Import for AUTOPO. I will go ahead and go to my folder and double click on the file. Alright, so first of all, we got some options here. Let me go ahead and increase the size here. Okay, so essentially here, you first have your required polygon count. So this is how many polygons you want. By default, it's 5,000. We'll go ahead and be okay with that. Got the quality here, capture details, hard surface retopology. So since this is not hard surface, I'll just turn this off. Now by default, guys, this is on voxelize before quadrangulation. And I found that a lot of times it really messes up the geometry horribly. But it is recommended for scan meshes because of the really unclean topology that you get from using scans. But if you're coming in from ZBrush or 3DCoat, then you can just turn this off here. Here, if you don't want to use density painting and the stroke guides, you can just click that to bypass that. Alright. The first thing it's going to ask you is, you have essentially you have a wizard here. You have a list of steps that it goes through. Sometimes the model is not perfectly there. You can go ahead and click on one of these here to frame it. There we go. Alright, so this button here, guys, it kind of frames. If you're like really far away, you kind of zoom in like that, as we were. Click on that and you're back to where you are. Press S, then we can click on Activate Symmetry. Now I'll hold Control, right click, and I'll move my mouse left and right to increase the size. And I'll go ahead and mask off the mouth area and the eye area here, as we would expect. I'll go ahead and mask off the ear area as well. Alright. So I'll go ahead and press E, and I'll use this brush right here. And I'll go ahead and make a circle around the eye, for example. Alright. Orange means that it's a loop. Green means that it's not a loop. So normally, guys, you would want, detail around. You want kind of a circle around here. Alright, there are still rules here, guys. Number one is, don't use strokes unless you really need them. Don't cross them, so you don't want to cross them like that. And don't use too many of them, and don't get them too close to each other. So for example, guys, you don't need to micromanage the strokes. You don't need to go ahead and do this. You need to generally set up, guys, where you want them to be, like the muscle around here for smiles and things like that. Around the eyes is good, and any other areas that you may need. Usually around the ears and the jaw area. To connect it, guys, start over here, left click and hold, and then kind of hover over until you get the white circle here, and it's going to connect them together. You may want some for these muscles here, or for this part right here. How do you want the shoulder to bend here? So you're just going to go ahead and kind of guide the mesh, guide the retopology process. Alright, guys, once you got that, go ahead and click on Next. And simply wait for a little bit, and it will go ahead and retopologize. Alright, guys, as you can see, here's the result. Alright, we can now, for example, switch the modeling workspace. We can go ahead and use free moving. I'll press S, turn off the symmetry. And we're just going to move this out and compare. As you can see, I think I did a pretty nice job of retopologizing. Of course, we can always manually fix up some areas here. But particularly, I like the way it had this topology around here. Alright. So of course, guys, I think the ultimate topology is when you do it manually, you get every single polygon where you need it to be. But I think if you sometimes need like a quick retopology, I think that auto-retopology, AUTOPO can do a really good job. But if I was going to use this, I would kind of go in here and maybe fix up some areas here to go around here. All right, let me go ahead and give you guys another example. All right, I got this alien face right here. All right, let me go ahead and first, where do I want more detail? Well, I guess I'll put it right here in the face here. All right, be sure to kind of rotate your camera angle, guys, because sometimes the masking will not show up in the cavities, so you're going to go ahead and kind of go in here, make sure you got it in the cavities and as well. All right, there we go. All right. I'm going to go ahead and put some lines down here. All right, I'm going to click on next. All right, guys, here we go. Let's go ahead and move it. All right. We're getting that nice kind of loop around here. Getting a nice loop around here. Getting a nice loop around the eyes as well. Loop around here. Although I may want to go in here and like maybe connect right here. So guys, you can always go ahead and open up your Retopology tools and do some manual correction here. Alright guys, that has been AUTOPO. Thank you for watching and take care.